Here is an overview of how you can design your Craftstone knives using our interactive design tool. First, you choose the types of knife blade styles you want here. I will choose 3 knives: the 8-inch chef knife, the Santoku knife, and the fillet knife. You can see the thumbnails of your choices here. Then you decide if you want to select a matching set where all your knife design choices will be the same, or if you want, you can design each knife differently. Today, I will design each knife differently. Next, you choose your knife handles here. You have a choice of imported wood handles, domestic wood handles, and stone handles. Today I will choose apple green onyx. Next, you will choose your stone at the back of the knife seen here. You have a choice of a variety of stones. All our knives come with a free cubic zirconia. As well, you can upgrade to a semi-precious, precious, or genuine diamond. Simply click your choice until you have found the stone you like. And that's it, you can be completed there. You also have the choice of adding optional decorative rings. We have 4 different kinds. First, I will show you the engraved rings. You simply click on the choices you like and you'll see them on your knife. You can also choose the 8 gemstone ring. Here you choose the stones you want, seen here on the knife. As well, you choose the metal color you like, brass or steel. Another ring style you can choose is 3 gemstone rings with custom engravings. First, you pick the stone colors you want. Then you pick your metal type, brass or steel. Then you choose the words you want to engrave. The 3 gemstone ring is a great gift idea to celebrate someone very special in your life. You can custom engrave their name. As well, you can also add an anniversary or birthday to their ring. And finally, you can choose your favorite font for your 3 gemstone ring. Your last option is rings made of semi-precious stone and metal. You click here and pick the style you like. Today I'm going to go with lapis and stainless steel, as you can see here. Next, we will go to optional blade engravings. You can add text, your name, your favorite expression, or any text you want. You can change the font to your preferred font. You can change the size of the font and move the engraving to any location you want on the knife. You can also add clip art to your knife. Choose your clip art theme. Today I'm going to add this beautiful jaguar. You can move the location, size it. You can also change your mind and remove any blade engravings by simply selecting and clicking here. If you have any of your own images, you can also upload them. And now you're done. Now you can go to your next knife by clicking here. First, I will choose my handles. Today, I'm going to choose a Rosa Levanto handle. Next, I'm going to choose a rhodonite stone at the back of my knife. To match this, I'm also going to add an 8 gemstone rhodonite ring. Now that you're done, click the cart to complete. Feel free to share your designs with your friends, and you can also follow us on your favorite social media network.